Today's subject is slavery.
Why are you doing this?
Cause it's not fair that you're not around. This is when the feeling sinks in. I don't wanna miss you like this. Come.
Let's go, Insight.
Turn it up.
Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor.
Something's got to give.
Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor.
Woo!
Heck yeah!
I'm a good hype girl.
Oh!
All right, sir. Watch me carefully. You're gonna do exactly what I do, okay?
Wait, what? Man, there is no way.
So dumb right now.
Never made love, no, I never did, but I should know.
The fuck was that? Oh, what's up, buddy?
Caden loves being my cameraman.
Yay.
Yeah, but that nigga said, hey, bro, damn, stop playing, man. Hey.
This Ranger's got 60,000 miles on it. I bet it needs a cabin fill. It does not. It does not. Nope, it's fine. We're good. Have a great day. No recommendation.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Why do birds suddenly appear? you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you wanna build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Go away, Anna.
You think you're the coolest guy in the parking lot, and then this guy shows up.
I need to step back so I can get some movement. It's in his head. It's in your forehead. Take it out of your forehead.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's $200.
Is there poop?
Yeah, he did a big turd.
He swallowed it.
From Panama City Beach, Florida. We're here where a large hole has been uncovered. And as we're digging through here, we're trying to figure out what's going on here. I'm not sure if this is a sinkhole to China or what. I think I see something.
Is this the USA?
I didn't even know.
One, two, three, four, uno, dos, tres. I know you want me, you know I want you. I know you want me, you know I want you. I know you want me, you know I want you. I know you want me, you know I want you. One, two, three, four, uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Rumba, sí, ella quiere su rumba. Rumba, sí, ella quiere su rumba. Si es verdad que tú eres guapa, yo te voy a poner gozar. Tú tienes la boca grande, dale, ponte a jugar. One, two, three, four, uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Stick to the top, on my way to the top. My pit got it locked for.
When I'm back in Chicago, I feel it. Another version of me. I was in.